While you were reading this sentence, an AI somewhere just booked a flight. Nobody clicked buy. Nobody typed a word. It just decided. And here's the part that should freak you out. That's not ChatGPT. That's the thing replacing ChatGPT right now. And you're already using it. You just don't know it yet. Okay, let's be real for a second. You type something, it answers. That's it. It's basically a really smart friend who can't leave the couch. You still do all the work, but right now, quietly, that's changing. Companies stopped asking, can AI talk to us? They started asking, can AI work for us? And the answer is yes. Here's the easiest way to understand this. ChatGPT is a brain in a jar. It thinks, it talks, it has no hands. An AI agent has hands. Give it your email, your calendar, your browser. You give it one goal, and it does the rest. Alone. No follow-up questions. No, can you clarify? It just finishes the job. Sounds helpful, right? Wait till you see who's already using it. You've probably talked to one and didn't even know. Salesforce built an agent that closes customer support tickets by itself. Thousands a day. Klarna, the buy now, pay later company, replaced 700 human jobs. With one agent, it doesn't sleep. It doesn't ask for a raise. It doesn't quit. And it's better at the job than most people were. Watch this. No hands on that mouse. No human typing. That's an AI agent opening tabs, filling forms, making choices. This isn't a demo. This is what your next job interview might actually look like. Except you might not be the one in the room. And it's not just tech companies anymore. Hospitals are using agents to schedule surgeries and manage patient records. Banks are using them to catch fraud in real time before you even notice the charge. Airlines are using them to rebook you the second your flight gets canceled. No hold music. No, please wait, your call is important to us. Just a decision. Made in seconds. You've probably been helped by one of these agents this month, and you thought it was just customer service. It wasn't. Let's talk about the question you're actually here for. Customer service. Data entry, scheduling, basic research, entry-level coding. If your job follows steps, agents can learn those steps. Faster than you. Cheaper than you, but here's the twist nobody's telling you. New jobs are already showing up. People who don't do the work anymore. People who manage the agents that do it. That job didn't exist 2 years ago. Companies are hiring for it right now. So the real question isn't, will AI take your job? It's this. Will you be the one giving the orders? Or the one taking them from a machine? Think about someone you know. A cousin in customer support. A friend doing data entry to pay rent. They're not lazy. They're not behind. They just picked a job that was built on repeating steps. And steps are exactly what agents were designed to eat. This isn't about being scared of a robot uprising.